Conduction Part 3. Metals are good conductors of heat. This is because they contain free electrons as well as molecules. When heated, the free electrons vibrate rapidly. They move from the hot end towards the cool end of the rod. When they bump into other atoms and electrons, they pass on the heat energy. This means that the heat is transferred more quickly with the electrons than with the slower moving molecules. And so, let's talk about this table right here. We have glass, which contains 14 minutes until it heats up. And so, they are non-metallic solids, such as plastic, glass, and ceramic. They are poor conductors. They do not contain any electrons. So, heat is only conducted by the slower moving molecules, which means that it's going to take more time to get the whole heat conducted. So, they actually do prevent conduction. Here, with saucepans, non-metallic handles made of plastic or wood. They are made of natural fibers such as wool and wood and are particularly good insulators, so they do not conduct the heat. That is why small pockets of air are trapped inside the material. Oven gloves are made of non-conducting fabric. Also, vacuum flasks take advantage of the ultimate against conduction and a vacuum. And here you can find a picture of a vacuum flask. A flask with double walls separated by vacuum used to maintain substances at high or low temperatures. And so, here you can find a summary about the whole chapter.